What is going on YouTube? How y'all doing today? I just want to come through with a real quick video on the Infinity Processing System and their $300 a day blueprint, posting pre-written ads on social media to attract attention to your business opportunity, so that way you can get leads without having to chase anybody, without having to bother friends and family. If you can imagine having an online business that runs 24/7 for you, so that way you'll be able to get multiple eyeballs to your opportunity. This Infinity Processing System is a cash flow opportunity, meaning it's direct payments however you would like to be paid: Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, PayPal, any processor that you see fit. It is a global opportunity. It is very newbie friendly, and I highly recommend it for someone who's just starting out and wanting to learn how to build an online business, a home-based business with marketing digital products online that are highly in demand in the e-learning space. What is the e-learning space? It's the digital era of being able to learn a new skill online without having to go to school or sign up for a college course. You'll be able to take this training information and apply it to your day-to-day life and be able to make a extra income, or you can go full-hearted and be able to turn this into a full-time income. So that way you'll be able to take care of some of those bills, be able to pay off that car, be able to take your family on a nice vacation, and still be able to earn while you're on vacation. I do apologize. I got my baby girl in the background. She over here eating on some chicken nuggets, some dino nuggets, and so anyway, we keep going with the presentation about the Infinity Processing System. It helps you brand yourself across social media, and it gives you the techniques and skills to be able to attract your perfect client to you. Now, imagine being able to have a online business that attracts customers to you, so you're not doing all that hard work on trying to attract people to your opportunity. With its pre-written ads are highly engageable, to where it makes others want to interact with you and ask you about your business. So I just wanted to go real quick. Today I posted a post on Facebook using the pre-written ads, and I just want to show you how it already attracted some attention that's interested in the business. So if I take you over to my Facebook, 10 hours ago I want to give a big congratulations to our teammate Kelissa Games, who made 1,501 day. Big congrats to you. Proven success system. With this new system, learn how you can earn 1,000 a week by working online. Solve your money problems with this opportunity. Work from home. Learn how to earn up to $300 a day online. Most exciting program this year. Working 3 to 4 days out of the week. No train. No. This is not crypto. There's no market. This is not multi-level marketing. This is not trading. You just need a Wi-Fi connection and a smartphone. This works point blank. You can start your home-based business work today. You can see I post her pictures, and I made sure to let it be known congratulations to Kelly Grams on her big win. So that way people know that a member in our group is making a successful income with this. And already I have a info please. So I sent them the information through his inbox, He'll go through the information, get with me. I'll vent him through some questions, and if this is a good fit, he'll join up with me. I'm not the only one seeing this type of progress with this opportunity. Just real quick, I want to show you in the proof group, James Famba on the 20th this month. He got a $300 pro membership. Congratulations to you, James Famba. Big ups to you for making your commission. Some other top contenders, welcoming other people to the proof group. Just have a look around. The proof group strategy is really strong. They teach this in the back office, and the training in the back office, just want to go real quick over that, is phenomenal. Would you you have learn how to create an automatic sales funnel, so that way it's running for you 24/7. Mindset, a winning mindset formula, because you need to know how you want and what you want out of this. 200 pre-written ads, bonus images, Facebook marketing, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, and much more when it comes to the Affinity Processing System. There's so much value in here, and it's very good value. Now, when you get started with Affinity Processing System, it's going to ask you to go here. It's going to welcome you to the team, show you how to pay a $39 one-time admin fee, so that way you can be able to resell this as a reseller's rights. You know, you have to finish this process to be able to unlock and go through the rest of the training. Teaches you how to get that done. And then once that's all taken care of, you're going to come here to the intro video, and Adriana Venegas is the one who made the IPS, and she's put all her knowledge and skills into it. She's a six-figure earner online, and once you get started, you're going to request a Facebook coaching group, request a Facebook proof group. You're gonna write down your goals, because you want to know what it is that you expect and how much you want to make and where you want to see yourself. So writing down your goals is very important when it comes to the Affinity Processing System. Also, when you get started, you'll get a branded website page like this one here, and it has a video that does a lot of the selling and telling for you, and it's branded to you, which is very important that people begin to gain know, like, and trust with you. How does it work? You're going to join one of the levels. You're going to post the pre-written ads. As you see, I posted some of the pre-written ads on Facebook, and it has brought me one lead as of this morning. And start collecting 100% daily income straight to your account. So if this person joins in with me, I'll make a commission off of that, which will be 100%. Just real quick, I want to keep this video kind of short, go over the product levels. So inside the product levels, you're going to have the Influence Brand Marketer for $50 start, Intro to Automation Secrets, Elite level at $150, and the Pro level. I highly recommend the Pro level, because you're going to get much more training, and it's much more detail in the back office with the six-figure Pro level. And on top of that, when you start at the 300 Pro level, it gives you the opportunity to earn the $150 for the Elite level and the $50 for the startup level. If you start at the starter level, you'll be able to earn that 50, the 150, and the 300 with this marketing system, which is I believe is very great for the newbie friendly. So if you want to check it out and see how you can get started with Affinity Processing System, I do have my links below. Click the link, check out the web page, and if this is something for you, I want to see you get started. And if you get started with me through the month of August and September, I'm going to be doing a bonus, Action Taker bonus, where if you get started with me, I'm going to send 100 clicks to your website so that you can hit the ground running as well. That's my introduction with the Infinity Processing System. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any other opportunities and cash flow opportunities. Again, that's my segment. My name is Corey Norris, and I'm out of here. My daughter trying to feed me chicken nuggets. All right. Again, that link is at the bottom, and please, I'm having my Facebook description in the bottom. Get with me, contact with me. I love to talk with and chat with you guys. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one.